Hello, and welcome to the YouTube channel. It is I, the Great Mirror Fazbear, and today we are going to be doing 10 tips on how to survive a snow blizzard. So if you all may have heard, from 2 a.m. to 7 a.m. there's a snowstorm, and what I can see outside, let me show you guys. Alright. It's not stopping. Look. Oh, I don't think you guys can see it, but let me just open up the curtain. Okay, so as you all see, it's not stopping. Alright. Maybe while I'm stuck in the house, I will make the Toy Chica Shadow Freddy Get Married video soon. But any case, I'm going to tell you all how to survive a snow blizzard. There are 10 tips. The first thing you would need is all the food that you got yesterday. Tip 2. You need a furry friend. This furry friend's going to be with me in my bedroom all day for snuggles. We got it planned for snuggling and cuddling and kisses. Lovey-loveys. Tip 3. Text your friends and family members. Ask if they're okay before the power runs out. But if the power does run out, you could use a secret weapon. You can use a flashlight, candles, but my most secret weapon in all the land is a Jedi or Sith lightsaber. That way you can look through the dark and you can see one lightsaber glowing. Dun, 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 dun. Tip 5. The power does run out. You could still use the lightsaber. But you have to navigate around. And the only food you can eat are cans. Well, I just say crackers and cheese because for fruit that you can cook will not be there. Although you could still use the cans. You could make a sandwich, PB&J, ham and cheese. And you could still make some soup because the microwave will be out and so will the oven. That conserves power. It doesn't conserve power, but you know what I mean. The stove will be active still. You could make soup. You could make, I don't know. Maybe you can make hash browns. Like breakfast for dinner. While your mother's holding a lightsaber or some candles to let you see what you're doing. Because if you don't see what you're doing, it could mess up very badly. Tip 6. If you like Avatar: The Last Airbender live action movie, I do too, or karate, you can wield a bow staff and pretend to wield it. You can like twirl it this way, you could twirl that way, you could swing it this way, and that way, you're all set. Tip 7. Grab a shovel, grab everything to cover yourself to protect yourself from the cold, from the freezing snow. But if you see your friends, don't hesitate to throw a snowball at them. Then yes. That one's a good one. That one's a keeper. But you would have to shovel the snow and shovel your car. And maybe, if you want to, which this is really good, because It makes people know how much you care for them and for others. Shovel their car without them even asking you. That would be good. Tip 8. Practice on something. Something that you're good at. Like, I don't think basketball already. Just kind of thing. Maybe play a game. Maybe play a pillow fight. I think that's it. Tip 8. I think I just said tip 8. I don't know. I'll say it again. Tip 8. If you want to have your favorite candy, and if you want to, like, have your favorite type of candy, like any type of candy, and you want to record yourself, go ahead and do it. Make a video. Make a video at home until the power comes back on. Then upload it. Tip 9. When the snow blizzard, before it starts and when it starts, you have to plug in all of your electronics. Everything to keep them from getting low to down to 0. Get them to high up. That's how you can survive and talk to your friends. Tip 10. Don't go anywhere. Just sit down, watch TV, play a board game, drink tea. My favorite is drinking hot chocolate. Put many marshmallows in there, guys, and that's how you all can survive a snowstorm. Right, Bill? All right. Where are you going? So cute. Hang on. Bella. Oh my goodness. And that's how to survive. 10 tips on how to survive a snow blizzard. What do you think, Belle?
I think you cracked the case. You cracked the case.
And I think in tip 10 is work on your studies. Work on your studies. If you need to work on something in school or high school, middle school, whatever school you're at, work on it. Just because you're on vacation right now doesn't mean you're off from work. You gotta study. You gotta keep going. You gotta keep working. Is that right, Belle?
Yeah, that's the extra bonus on the 10 tips on how to survive a snow blizzard. Aw, Belle, you're so sweet. I'm gonna make Mom study on something. Belle!
Do you want me to study on cracking you open and fill you with hugs and kisses?
You already filled me with hugs and kisses.
Oh, it's true. It's true. I love you.
Love you too. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like the video and subscribe. Otherwise, Mira Mom's gonna keep me in her arms forever and ever and ever. And I'll suffocate by the power of kisses and hugs. I'll see you all on the next one. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.